Hi guys, welcome. Thank you for joining EAC Product Development Solutions for our webinar today. My name is Matt Zastapil and I'm an additive manufacturing specialist here at EAC. So I help our customers bring 3D printing solutions in-house to save time and money over outsourcing. So a little bit about EAC. Our mission here is to transform the way companies design, manufacture, connect to, and service their products. So we do this by offering engineering and design services, CAD and PLM solutions from PTC. We offer assessments and IoT solutions to help companies define a strategy of getting products smart connected. And then we do offer an affordable, easy to use 3D printing solution that makes it easy to bring additive manufacturing in-house. So today I wanted to cover the complete Form 3 Plus workflow from start to finish. So to start, I wanted to show a quick video on the new Form 3 Plus and 3B Plus printers. All right, so a lot of good stuff in that video for you guys. But the Form 3 Plus and 3B Plus is a part of the 3D printing ecosystem that is super easy to learn and use. So today we're going to cover the basics on how to use the Form 3 Plus, from the software and materials to printing and post-processing. So diving into the first steps, it's going to be design, print, and wash. So to start printing, you're going to want to first export your design as an STL or OBJ file from your favorite CAD software. So you're going to open the file in Preform. It's the free and easy to use software tool that prepares your design for 3D printing. So I have a couple of screenshots of what the tool actually looks like. Very easy to use. You can see you select the printer and then you select the material that you're using as well. So moving on from that, you can use the one-click print to automatically set up supports, layout, and orientation in one step. You can also make advanced manual adjustments such as support size, density, and position as needed. Once your print is ready, you can send it to the printer. So during printing, there is an online dashboard that lets you monitor print progress throughout the print. So once uploaded, you are ready to print. So the Form 3 Plus versatile cartridge and tank system allows you to easily change materials. But before starting the print, make sure the build platform, resin cartridge, and resin tank are ready to go inside the printer. So to minimize user error, the Form 3 Plus will automatically sense when everything is inserted correctly. And then you're ready to start a print. Once you press print, you can just leave the printer to complete the print so you can go focus on other things, which is really nice. All right, so moving on to the next steps. So after the print is finished, there are three main steps in post-processing. It's going to be rinsing in IPA, the removal of supports, and post-curing. So Formlabs has made each of these steps as easy as possible to save you so much time. To start, you're going to rinse your part Insert the build platform directly into the form wash after printing for a consistent automatic rinse. Next, you're going to transfer the part to our automated post-curing station, the Form Cure. The Form Cure includes custom settings that maximize mechanical properties for each Formlabs material. So that's the Form 3 Plus workflow. I hope this walkthrough really helped gain more insight on how easy using the Form 3 Plus can be. And then one more thing that I wanted to touch on was the materials. So we offer a wide variety of 3D printing resins, really formulated for our printers, including general purpose standard resins and specialty materials for engineering, dental, jewelry, and more, really ranging from over 35 different materials to use. So that's kind of what I had for you guys today. Thanks everyone for joining. If you are local, to the Minneapolis area, I would love to invite you in and see our demo suite in person. With that, I hope everyone has a great rest of the day, and thank you for spending some of your afternoon with me. Cheers.